iStack. This is our home page. Here you have a slider to get an idea on our product, and there are POIs, events, news, and team members, and there are some recommended products has given for you, and there is a video where you can get an idea on our product. And if you click on this menu bar, if you go to this About Us page, there are some details about us. If you click on this POI button, here you can see there are POIs, talks, event, group meetings, kids parties, and reading sessions are given for you to search where they are. And if you click on this POI button, it will redirect you to the POI list. Here you can add any POIs to your wish list, or else you can click on a particular POI and get the details of it. Likewise, you can check on events. There are event details, and you can add these events to your wish list, and you can view a particular event where they are, and the details of that particular event. Then here you can go to the events. There you will be given event details, event list, and you have the options to filter these by event type. You can check whether this is an instant booking or not, and a particular date. After that, you have to apply these filters, so according to that the list will be loaded. And here you have the options to search particular event by its name, and then you can click on an event and view that event's details. And here you have the options to read more about this event, and by clicking on this you can add this event to the wish list. And if you are interested in going, you can click on this interested button, and it will give you the options to share this event with your friends. And if you are going, you can click on this going button, and it will redirect you to the booking page. If we head back to the event details, there are a few more other options. If you click on this button, it will redirect you to the gamification option, where you have this find and win game. In here, what you have to do is you have to go to that particular event, and you have in that event there is a hidden item. You have to find it out, and there's a QR code on that particular item, and you have to scan that QR code using this option. After that, you have to submit it, and then you are logging. You have already logged to that particular game. And here, like we have said earlier, this option will redirect you to the locate me option, and here you can see where that event is and the details of that event. If we go back to the booking page, there are billing information for you to fill. After doing that, you have you can do this payment. So your order is confirmed. You will prompt a message. After that, we'll move to the wishlist option. Here you can see the particular POIs, events, and news and teams where you have selected as your favorites. And in here you have you have given the options to give us your comments. So by clicking on this, you can give this range. You have set this range to set how good your experience is for now. And you have the options to remove particular item from this wish list, and also you have the options to mail your wish list to a particular mail address. Likewise, you can mail your wish list to a particular email. You can it's happening separately. You can mail your POIs, events, and news and teams. Okay, and that's all for now.
Welcome back to the homepage of iStack. A search bar on top, an image slider followed by a grid of POIs, events, news, and team members, which are the major areas that iStack is focusing on in a grid, and a user-specific recommended list of products thereafter. And finally, on this page is a mini video explaining what iStack is. Moving into the About Us page. Running it on iPad landscape. On top is the iStack logo with its team and why iStack is, followed by the Contact Us page. You can get connected via Facebook, Google, and whatever the social media that we want. And going back to the home page, navigating into the POIs, is a Google map with all components that an interest could lie in. Among them are news items and team members, which I'm gonna focus in this video. So let's move into news items. It's a list of news items, add to wish list option, a Google map and search option, drilling down into a given news item with a description about what it is, with read more, read less options, and the distance to the given location. Going back to the Locate Me page again to drill down into the team members in the iPad landscape mode. It's a list of team members and can move into a given team member page with read more, read less options, and the distance to the given location is recorded. I am back on the home page and drilling down into the news items via the grid of news, a list of news. Add to wish list option, gamification with QR code scanning. Moving into the team members page, can apply filters in ascending and to sort it in descending order, and then you can check if the filtering works. And you can reach out the team, and the gamification lies here, and you can just vote your team members. You have the read list, read more options, and you have all the other options that you saw in the other pages as well, and the location where the given team member stays. And then Coming back to the voting page, going back to the home page, we'll move into the wish list. It has all categories, can remove team members and use items, and it gives a system response. And then you can email your wish list to a valid email address, and it loads your email page. You can log in and you can do it, and then you can give user feedback, and you can share your experience. Page has score recording, and it has your loyalty points, events participation, fun and win points, and then the rating. And that's it about the iStack mobile responsive web application. It's responsive on iPhone and iPad, landscape and portrait modes orientations. Thank you.